All right, welcome. Today we're looking into how to solve an expression like this into its equivalent radical form. So pretty much the whole idea is also how do I get rid of my negative exponent here. But first thing, I'm going to deal with what's inside my parentheses. Okay, I do have my options here, but let's try to solve this in. So I'm given m squared, I'm gonna rewrite it up here. So m squared to the m to the 1 over 3, raise it to the negative a half. Okay, what does that mean? I'm going to deal with my parentheses inside. My base is m, and I have here really 2 over 1 if you want to really rewrite it in nice fraction form. And when I apply the quotient rule here, this 1/3 gets moved to my numerator and having a negative exponent here. So 2 over 1 minus 1/3. Raise it to the negative a half. Okay, several ways I can solve this in. I know that my answer here is going to be 6 minus 1, which is so 5/3. Okay, I'm going to have m to the 5/3. And if you're wondering, oh my goodness, how did you get the 5/3? I can tell you a little calculator trick which you can use. So let's go on the calculator here. Turn on. Okay, I'm gonna clear this, clear it. So I have, what is it? 2 minus 1/3, all right? If you wanna do 2 or 1. So I'm gonna do, let's say if I had something else in my denominator, but it's good if you put in the calculator step with parentheses. So 2 divided by 1, you could have done 2, but you know, let's just be consistent. Minus, what is it? 1 over 3 minus 1 divided by 3, close parentheses. I get a decimal. How do I convert my decimal into fraction? I go to math, fraction, enter, and 5/3, and it does verify with what I have here. Okay, great. My step 2 now would be to apply the power rule, meaning that m to the 5 over 3 multiplied by negative a half, which will give me, so with multiplication, the numerator gets multiplied with numerator, denominator with denominator. So here it's negative 5 over 6. And you can also do that on your calculator. So if I were to do 5 over 3, open parentheses, 5 divided by 3, close parentheses, and then multiplication. And then it's negative a half. So multiplied by the negative, this is the negative sign we're going to use, not the minus. Okay, be careful. 2, and I end up with negative 0.833, which again, go to math, fraction, should give me negative 5 over 6. So let's check in what happens when I do apply my power rule here. Do I get, oh, I already multiplied this 3 times 2. Yeah, I did get negative 5 over 6. Perfect. However, I have a negative exponent, and what do? We reciprocate it, meaning we put it in the denominator. So this actually becomes 1 over m to the 5 over 6. Okay, now I have my exponent in positive. So if I were to rewrite this in radical form, because my options here are radical form, this would be 1 over the 6th root of m to the 5th power, which is also written as 1 over the 6th root of m to the 5th. Okay, same drill. These two answer choices are correct. So let's see which one matches this. This is not correct. Cross it out. Ah, looks like choice 2 is correct. And that's about it. All right, feel free to ask any other questions if you have. Thank you for watching.